Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, my fins just arrived here today. Before I open it up, I want to point out that I bought this from Budalero PH, so thank you for them. I'm about to open this box, but before I do, I just want to point out that the brand of these fins are Leaderfins. I am struggling here. Don't worry. Magical cutter. I almost cut myself. There's a lot to discuss about this fin. They also come with bags. And yes, you can pick any color you want. For me, I chose blue because I'm cool. The fin, but if you want to, you can put a long hot dog. So those are the bag. That's the bag. The foot size is 45 to 50. 45 to 46. Apologies. Anyway, the foot pocket brand is Forza. That's pretty much it. Anything else? Oh yeah, why you should buy these fins? Well, basically, they're made of pure absolute carbon, which is magnificent. What else? They're soft. They got sound, okay. There's two of these babies. You can do both of it. You can be a bird. And I already pointed this out, but I'll point it out again because my design choice is better. Yo, cameraman!
Sorry.
Shame on you. Now. There's already another side here. Anyway. As you can see, custom made. I mean, it's completely optional. You can either make it custom made or generic. Although I don't know why you choose generic. You have multiple opportunities to make it custom, and you choose bland, blue, or white. I don't know what's wrong with you. That or you're just really bold and boring. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the fins. And again, I want to thank Budalero PH for custom making this for me. Please follow and like their page. And that's about it. I'm gonna go eat my food. Cut. Do I get paid?